Hi guys, welcome back to another mystery video, and today I'll be doing the braidless crochet. So I'm gonna do it in a mohawk. I already put my hair up in three little buns, and I'm gonna tap into the spring a little bit, I'm gonna use this hair, which is the springy afro twist. I know this hair is supposed to be like twisted and stuff, but I'm just gonna be doing it like, a nice little mohawk. The reason why I'm tapping into the spring is because, the little white still represent the snow, and then kind of going at the color, Yeah, so it's 3 separate packs. So I'm gonna use 1 pack for each bun. So as you can see, there are little sections of hair, section off. So I'm just gonna take one off. It's fluffy too, I like. So what I'm going to do, because I want my face to move, very like forever nice. So the black will be in the roots. So it look like, I just did my ends. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push the crochet through my hair, bring it through. For watching. See you guys in another hair video with your girl Misty.